Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print expense report in PDF format. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Expense Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Expense app, go to My Expense, go to anyone like a hotel expense. See here this icon, now click on and print your expense report. See here your printed report in PDF format. And if you want to print multiple, so select here, go to print menu and click on this expense. Display here multiple printed report. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.